Okay, let's make some cloud dough today. This is going to be a lot of fun, and you're really going to need just some simple supplies. So I have a list here of the basic recipe. You may need to increase some of the ingredients just a tad, depending on how your mixture goes, but you'll see 3/4 cup cornstarch. And the cornstarch I'm just using here is just Argo cornstarch that you can find at your grocery store. You're going to need 1/4 cup of water and a tablespoon of dish soap. But I actually have the dish soap in my water here. That's why that has a little bit of a blue. So it's 1/4 cup of water, tablespoon of dish soap. I didn't mix it, I just dropped it in there. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of some kind of a hair conditioner. Now I just bought this very inexpensive Suave, and I bought the coconut oil version because I like the smell and I'd like my cloud dough to smell pleasant. And finally, as I said, the dish soap. And you need, now I'm going to put the recipe aside, big bowl. We're going to go ahead and we're going to dump our cornstarch in there. We're going to add our water and dish soap. And I have a little spatula here to scrape the rest out. Okay, and here comes, oh, it smells heavenly. It's like a coconut scented hair conditioner. And we're going to start by mixing it with a spatula. And then we're going to switch to mixing it with our hands. That's why I actually have a glove on my hand today. So I'm going to start, whoa, it's already sticking together. Look at that go. By mixing it together with my spatula. And let's see how we do. Mixing and mixing. And I'm seeing that I want to get it a little bit more mixed like this. Now mine is looking very liquidy. So you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to add more cornstarch. So here we go. And this is what you do when you're mixing any kind of homemade dough. You start with the basic ingredients and then you can keep adding more to get just the right mixture. So mine is getting thicker now, and it really smells great. As I said, it smells kind of like coconut. It's getting almost like a slime texture now, which is really kind of fun. Now, add some more cornstarch, like this. And oh boy, now it's beginning to look like clay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spatula out and I'm just going to put my hands in there and start to put it together. If it's too dry, what it might be at this point, you can easily put more conditioner in. Come on. Oh, there goes the conditioner. And we're going to just press that in to make it a little bit more pliable so that it is easy to work with. And already it's beginning to feel sticky and lovely to the hands. Oh yeah, look how this is really doing so great to stick together and just be a wonderful, soft texture. So I can see that really this is looking like a clay now. So I'm actually going to take my gloves off because I think at this point in time, when everything is mixed together, oh, does that feel good on the hands. So you're going to end up with a super soft, super squishable, and if you look at my hands, it's really not sticking, and it will come off with a little soap and water. And there, my friends, let's put this bowl aside. You have some ready-to-use, awesome cloud dough. Let's see what we can make with this cloud dough. Remember our little animal friends from the forest? I thought it would be fun if you could take your clay and make some special little treats for them. Here's a little ball. Maybe I could pretend it's a little nut with a little seed on top for my squirrel friend, and I could put it right here. Maybe I want to pretend I'm making cookies that are maybe for my horse friend. Since he likes grass, maybe I'll put some little grass seeds on top and just have fun making some little treats for our forest animals. So if you make your own clay dough and then you decide to make some little animal treats, what else could I make? Maybe I could make a little pie for the squirrel. So I'll make a little purple pie or a cake. Maybe we'll call it a cake. And I'll pretend that these are little treats on top of my cake. And there we go. And I'll put a couple green ones too. And this can be little fun treats for the squirrel family. And there I have 3 little treats I made. Should I make one more? And maybe I will make a long, skinny treat like this. Now watch what I'm gonna do though. I'm gonna make it long and skinny at first, but then watch what I can do with the pieces. So if I move these ones a little up here, you can see what I'm gonna do with this 3rd and last treat. I could roll it up like a little cinnamon bun and make that a little treat for my animal friends too. I'm really curious to see what you're gonna make with your cloud dough. Please send me a picture and have a lot of fun.